fifth lecture, we are going to talk about Dientamoeba Fragilis, cosmopolitan intestinal protozoan initially thought to belong to genus Entamoeba, but subsequent electronic microscopic examination and genetic analysis showed that Dientamoeba Fragilis is phylogenetically related to histamines. طفيل معوي منتشر على مستوى العالم. في السابق كان يصنف ضمن انتاميبا، ولكن بعد فحص الميكروسكوب الإلكتروني والتحليل الوراثي لهذا الطفيل وجد أنه يرتبط بخصائص الصوتيات مثل الهستامين. Today is classified in the Trichomonidae family. This species has no cyst stage, just in the form of a trovozoid. The diameter of trovozoid is 5 to 12 microns in diameter and contains two nuclei, each of which contains chromatin aggregated in the form of 4 to 8 heterogeneous masses in the center of the nucleus, as you see in the figure. The parasite is very sensitive in the outer medium and rapidly explodes in water and does not live long in the infected feces. The parasite lives in large intestine in humans and monkeys and does not cause symptoms of some patients, but others may suffer from intestinal disorders, weight loss, nausea and diarrhea. في بعض المصابين ما بيعانوا من أعراض، لكن البعض الآخر ممكن يعاني من اضطرابات معوية، weight loss فقد في الوزن، nausea غثيان، diarrhea إسهال. Treatment: metronidazole, baramycin, tetracycline, doxycycline have also been used as a form of a treatment. Diagnosis: the multiple samples of stools are required because of parasite detection being difficult. Now we are going to talk about intestinal ciliates. Ciliates belong to protozoa. The body is equipped with cilia that help them to move fast. طبعا أجسام هذه الطفيليات الأولية مزودة بالأهداب. Most of them include two nuclei, one large and other small. The large called macronucleus and the small called micronucleus. Their reproduction is by simple binary division and they form cysts, most notably Balantidium coli. Example of intestinal ciliate Balantidium coli. طبعا هذه أيضا الهدبيات المعوية من الحيوانات الأولية مزودة بنواتين، أحدهما كبيرة والأخرى صغيرة. Balantidium coli. This parasite lives in the large intestine of the human body and causes balantidiasis, and pigs are taken as reservoir host. Infection is caused by eating food or drinking water contaminated with cyst. طبعا الطفيل بيعيش في الأمعاء الغليظة للإنسان وبيتم الخنازير عوائل خازنة وبيتم العدوى للإنسان عن طريق تناول طعام أو شراب ملوث بالأكياس. Morphology: Balantidium coli, as in this figure 7, is one of the largest intestinal protozoan with a size of 40 to 60 micron. The body is surrounded by cilia arranged in longitudinal and spiral lines covering the cell membrane. The parasite is equipped with cytosome surrounded by a narrow triangle area called peristome. Both regions are equipped with long cilia tract to attract food particles. In the posterior region of the body, an opening is the cytopage, which the solid food waste is introduced. The endoplasm contains two contractile vacuoles فجوتين منقبضتين, two nuclei, one large, which is the macronucleus, kidney shape, responsible for vegetative functions, and the other small micronucleus responsible for reproduction. So the micronucleus in the Balantidium coli responsible for reproduction, but the macronucleus is responsible for vegetative functions. The trovozoid forms a cyst supported by double wall. The cyst is naturally colored in yellowish green. It is semi-spherical or oval shaped at a diameter of 45 to 65 microns. It contains the macronucleus, the two contractile vacuoles, and cilia lined its wall. This is the wall, this is the macronucleus, this is the micronucleus, two contractile vacuoles, and the cilia lined its wall. Life cycle. Balantidium coli lives in the intestinal cavity, mucosal membrane, and submucosal membrane of the large intestine, especially in the cecum area, and moves through the cilia that cover the body. Its elasticity and its spiral penetration movement help to penetrate and reach the mucosa of the intestine. Its food consists of red and white blood cells, tissue pieces, fatty molecules, starch, grains, and food waste. Food through the cellular mouth to the cytopharynx, then ectoplasm where it contains digestive vacuoles, where it is digested by digestive enzyme produced by it. The trovozoid is divided directly into two new organisms, each of which contains the characteristics of the mother cell. Rapid division may lead to the formation of dense foci in the tissue. تكاثرها بيعمل بؤر كبيرة في الأنسجة. The trovozoid does not last long, but the cysts remain active for many weeks. The cyst is the infective stage. When swallowed by the host, by the effect of digestive juices, the trovozoids release from the cyst to begin their invasion and multiplication of the intestine. Diseases and symptoms. الأعراض والأمراضية. The parasite invades the mucosal membrane of the intestine and leads to destruction, and two factors actually facilitate its invasion. عاملين بيسهلوا غزوها للأنسجة. These are the secretion of the enzyme hyaluronidase and penetration mechanism to the tissue, or by the penetration of the mechanism of the tissue by the parasite, and the parasite multiplied by simple direct division, leading to large numbers of parasites that increase their destruction action in the intestinal mucosa, resulting in the formation of what? Flask-shaped ulcers, like in the case of Amoeba histolytica. The lesions are widely spread in severe cases, and bacterial interventions lead to various complications and serious results. طبعا الفعل التخريب لمخاطية الأمعاء بتشكل من خلال بؤر وأعداد كبيرة من البلانتيديوم بتؤدي إلى flask shaped ulcer تقرحات دورقية لكن the case of Amoeba histolytica زي ما بتعملها الانتاميبا histolytica. طبعا في الإصابة الشديدة بقى بتكون واسعة وبتؤدي البكتيريا intervention تدخل البكتيري بيؤدي إلى إيش؟ مضاعفات مرضية وخطيرة. These are the symptoms and disease caused by Balantidium coli. Penetration of the tissue and formation of flask-shaped ulcers by bacterial intervention leads to various complications and serious results. A severe diarrhea occurs between 5 to 15 times a day, and the stool is liquid with mucus, pus, and blood. طبعا الإسهال بكون مرات عديدة، وبكون طبعا البراز سائل بتخلل المخاط والقيح وبتشوبوا الدماء. In cases of chronic infection, there are cases of intermittent diarrhea with cases of constipation accompanied by anemia, general malaise, and weakness. طبعا في حالات بتصير في إمساك أيضا، وبيرافق ذلك مع فقر دم واعتلال عام وهزال. It is known that many infected, they do not show symptoms. The diagnosis depends on the examination of the stool for detection of trophozoid and cysts. Epidemiology and prevention. The disease spreads in warm areas and where pigs are abundant. Prevention is to keep away from pigs and follow general hygiene rules in food and drink.